วัสดีค่ะ Good evening everybody. My time is 10 minutes to 5. Normally I will speaking just only practicing my English, and today I got a box here and I thought about I will make the video with English speaking, like I am practicing my English and also make the video open the box because I see I see many videos people do open box and some look interesting but some not. Anyway, both way there are many people watching, right? Okay, this is the box I got, and I thought in the box are the lights. I ordered the lights for the video. If you see the color light in my face now, I have the lamp with regular light bulb, and the light bulb is yellow. You can see it's regular, but it's not white. Then I just order last week. I ordered 2 pieces of LED light, and then I'm gonna open the box right now. Okay, I need to go back a little bit. And for whoever never seen my YouTube channel, because normally I speak in Thai, that's what I came from. I came from Thailand, and my name is Oath. I speak Thai regularly, and my channel is about my lifestyle, what I do, I go where, the place I go, and practicing English with friends, reading. Let's open the box. Yeah, they are what I expected. They are light, the LED light. I ordered from eBay, and there are 2 pieces of them. I don't remember the cost of them exactly. Need to check, but I don't want to check. So they are about $25.97. About that, about 20 something, and there are 2 boxes in a big box. Hold on. Oh my gosh. I can take another box. Okay, here. 1 and 2. Okay, I take away the box and open one box at a time. Okay, and what they have in here, this thing. I need to assemble them because they come in pieces. Supposed to be like this. This is the light, and this is the thing that I show you. And also, if I have the stand, I can put in the stand. But if I don't, I'm not sure if in this box also include the clamp, this one, for hold all the shelf or table. Okay, let me check in the box. I have this one and this thing. What is it? Oh, yeah, like the that is the most and maybe like that, how to put them together. This one can move, how to say, is flexible, it's bend out and in. Okay, and this is the small box here too. Oops. Oh, it's great. The clam that I just wondering is that include. Yeah. Everything include. Yeah. Okay. And this one I'm sure is the light. Okay. Here. Okay, and I will put them together and we'll show you at the end of the video. Okay, 2 of them. Okay, and here after I put every pieces together, I have 3 choices to do, but now I cannot do the third choice because I don't have the stand. There is a connector here for the stand if I have. And okay, let's see this one. I put in the leg here, the stand that's come in the box, and as I showed you earlier, I can bend this hand, I can make it straight. And the other option here, I can clamp it on the table. And let's see the light, very bright. You ready? Yeah, it's very bright here. Okay, I will use this for my next video. I think I cannot dim the light down. The light is better here. Bye.